Hi friends, now I will show you how to install Aarogya Setu app which are developed by Government of India. Go to Google Play Store, search for Aarogya Setu and click on install button. So once installed, click on open. So you can select the language in which you want to view the app. So I'm selecting English and click on next. So here is the information on how you can locate the persons nearby COVID positive persons in your area, and you have to click on register now. Go through the terms and conditions. You may need to keep the device location on all the time and Bluetooth also on, and data sharing agreement with the government, and click on I agree. Allow only when app is in use. I agree. Allow. We have to enter our mobile number. And the OTP will be sent. And it shows that if any, and it's showing like you are safe, which means by accessing the location and the Bluetooth, it was telling that I'm in a safe location. And one more thing is that like your status it's showing, and self-assess means saying this. Please give correction if one has to access whether they are being affected with COVID-19 or not. They can do self access. So click on OK, got it. Select the gender is. Are you experiencing any of the following symptoms? Cough, fever, difficulty in breathing? I don't have any, none of the above. Have you ever had any of the following? Diabetes, hypertension, lung disease, heart disease? I had a bit of hypertension. Click on next. Have you traveled anywhere internationally in last 14 days? No. Which of the following apply to you? I have recently interacted or lived with someone who has tested positive COVID-19, or I'm a health worker and I examined COVID-19, or none of them. In my case, it's none of the above. Your infection risk is very low. We recommend that you stay at home to avoid any chance of exposure to novel coronavirus. Okay. So this is, and one more section is there like COVID updates, where you can see the confirmed cases in the state where you are staying. Telangana, recovered disease around India, it's a real-time data. Around India, it's 11,900 cases and record 1,300, and the deceased are 392. This is a brief introduction about the Aarogya Setu app. Thank you.